Hi, my name's Mrs. Grundy and I'm here today to talk to you about Creative iMedia as a possible Key Stage 4 option. I'm going to talk you through what the course entails and why you should take iMedia. The first question I hear you ask is why should you take digital iMedia? Well, think about the world around you. You are part of generation like. Everything in your like is digital. Everything is online. It doesn't matter whether you're applying for university, sixth form, booking a holiday, watching television, playing games, shopping, everything is online. Everybody has the skills to go online, but not everybody has the skills to actually design the online products. You, if you develop your digital media skills, could be part of a massive £224.1 billion worth of economy in the UK. You could be worth some part of an 11.2% part of that big economy. You have those skills, you will be in high demand with workforce and employers. You could be one of the people that people need to keep their business going forward, and those people are highly paid. At All Science, we have an incredibly well-equipped IT department. We have facilities to complete digital comic design, green screening, game design, movie editing, animation, photo editing, web design. Now, all these different areas are topics that we will cover on the curriculum on Creative iMedia. We do one exam unit, we do a mandatory unit which is graphic editing on Photoshop, and then we have two optional units. The optional units can be chosen from the web design, animation, movie editing, game design, green screening, sound editing, multimedia product design. So there is a big scope for you to do the things that you are interested in. And one of the biggest aspects of this course is it's creative and it's 75% coursework. The exam is only worth 25%. It is all about pre-production skills. So it's all about how you prepare and produce your actual digital products. And you get to take 2 goes at that exam. So if you are somebody who doesn't like exams, somebody who's creative, who's a good independent learner, who's a good self-manager, this is a great course for you because it's project driven and you can design that and you have an awful lot of scope into how you complete each and every project. So just to confirm, you will have 4 units to complete. I have provided 2 as a typical example of what you may do for your 4 overall units. The exam, the mandatory digital graphics, and then your 2 optional being the digital animation and the website design. The way you will be graded is using the Pass, Merit, Distinction Starred system. All colleges and sixth forms and universities accept these courses. They are fully accredited and so are considered to be equivalent of GCSE courses. I hope I've covered some of the key components here, but if you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to come and see me up in the IT department. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.